5.2 meters long, 8 screens inside, and a 2.4 meter light strip across the front. The 2027 BYD Dynasty D isn't just BYD's new flagship SUV, it's a direct challenge to the Audi Q8, BMW X7, and Mercedes GLS. BYD unveiled the Dynasty D concept at the 2025 Shanghai Auto Show, and the production version arrives in China in the second quarter of 2026. This is BYD's largest SUV ever, positioned above the Tang L as the brand's ultimate family and business vehicle. With 3-row seating, suicide doors, rear-wheel steering, and advanced driver assistance that rivals anything from Europe, the Dynasty D proves Chinese automakers aren't chasing luxury anymore. They're redefining it, and they're doing it at a fraction of the price. When it comes to design, the Dynasty D is impossible to ignore. At 5.2 meters long, it's massive, longer than an Audi Q8 and nearly as big as a BMW X7. The front fascia features a 2.4 meter laser-engraved light strip spanning the entire width. At night, it looks less like a car and more like an airport runway. The headlights use OLED technology with thin, stacked elements that give it a futuristic, high-tech look. The side profile features a floating roof design, hidden door handles, and 23-inch wheels. The rear gets a full-width taillight bar with 3D elements inspired by Chinese knots and phoenix wings. And yes, it has suicide doors, rear-hinged doors that open opposite the front doors for dramatic entry and exit. BYD is sending a message. This isn't just another SUV, it's a statement. Step inside and you'll find an interior that blends traditional Chinese craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. The cabin features bamboo accents, hand-applied gold leaf, and materials inspired by traditional paper art techniques. The dashboard houses 8 screens, yes, 8, spread across the driver and passenger areas. There's a triple screen setup for the driver, a large passenger display, and additional screens throughout the cabin. The Dynasty D offers both 6-seat and 7-seat configurations. The 6-seater features second-row zero-gravity captain's chairs with heating, ventilation, massage, and electric recline. Materials include eco-friendly suede and matte carbon fiber throughout, giving it a premium feel that rivals anything from Germany. Now let's talk about the tech that sets the Dynasty D apart. The SUV uses BYD's DiPilot 300 system with 1 LiDAR sensor, 12 cameras, and an NVIDIA Orin X computing platform. This enables advanced driver assistance for both highway and urban environments, including lane changing, adaptive cruise control, and autonomous parking. The Dynasty D also features rear-wheel steering for improved maneuverability in tight spaces and enhanced high-speed stability. There's a DI-SUUSE adjustable suspension that adapts to road conditions in real time. And here's the wildest feature, an onboard drone system capable of dynamic takeoff and landing. Yes, a drone that deploys from the SUV for aerial photography or surveillance. It's next-level tech that no German SUV can match. Under the hood, the Dynasty D offers 2 powertrains. The plug-in hybrid uses BYD's DM 5.0 system, pairing a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with front and rear electric motors for all-wheel drive. Pure electric range exceeds 200 kilometers, which is over 120 miles. That's enough for most daily commutes without burning fuel. The battery electric version uses BYD's Blade battery technology with a range exceeding 670 kilometers, or around 415 miles. Both powertrains deliver smooth, responsive power with instant torque from the electric motors. Now here's where things get really interesting. The pricing. The Dynasty D is expected to start around 400,000 yuan, which converts to approximately 55,000 US dollars. That's significantly less than the Audi Q8, which starts around $70,000, and the BMW X7, which starts over 80,000. You're getting similar size, more technology, better range, and luxury materials at a massive discount. So here's the bottom line. The 2027 BYD Dynasty D is massive, luxurious, technologically advanced, and priced to disrupt the premium SUV segment. It delivers 3-row seating, suicide doors, rear-wheel steering, LiDAR-based driver assistance, and a drone system that no German competitor offers. The plug-in hybrid delivers over 120 miles of electric range, and the interior rivals anything from Audi, BMW, or Mercedes. If you want traditional European prestige, stick with the Germans. But if you want cutting-edge technology, bold design, and serious value, the Dynasty D is impossible to ignore. So here's the question. Can German luxury brands justify their premium pricing when Chinese SUVs like the Dynasty D offer more tech, more features, and lower prices? Let me know in the comments.